Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create and insert line chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly select your data, then insert, click here this drop down arrow and here all charts. So here you can select any particular chart like line, select it, and here are some more options in the line chart like this 3D line with markers. This is the simple line chart. Select it, then click on OK. Once you change your data here, so it will reflect in this chart. Enter your chart name. You can change style for your chart. Once you click on this plus icon, so there are some more options. You can add or remove these labels. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.